How to download YouTube. Go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for YouTube. And here you will find the official YouTube app. All you have to need is tap on install or update and your YouTube app will be installed. And after installing the YouTube app, if you're still not seeing the YouTube app in your app library, let's see how to fix it. Go to your phone settings. In your settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Here you will find all of your available apps. Just scroll down and find out YouTube in this list, or you can use this search icon and type here YouTube. Now just tap on YouTube, and here if you see the YouTube is disabled, then you won't see the YouTube app in your app screen. So make sure to enable the YouTube app, and now on you can easily go ahead and use the YouTube app on your phone. That's it.